Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott coming to you once again from the Mirrored Millionaire Forex Group. And I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in for part two of how to always win your trades. With this strategy here, like I said, this is part two of what I covered earlier. You will always find yourself on the winning end of your trades. All right. Now, so what we went over earlier, I had explained you pop in a buy and a sell, and then once you realize which way the market is going to go, you then want to put in one trade, or if you want to put a couple trades in, depending on your account size and if you have the strength to actually hold it in that direction and let the market do what it do. So if it's going down, just ride it down and take your money. Now, the next part of this strategy is basically this. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that, and I tell you this, tell all my students this, make sure you have your support and your resistance plugged in on your chart. You want to make sure you have it on your chart. All right. So in this case, the market is going down. We can do this and put some more in just for the sake of it. But you want to make sure you have your support and resistance on your chart. And you can go to your 4 hour and maybe even your day. 4 hours should be good, but go to your 4 hour and set your support and resistance, and then go back to your 1 hour and you can check to see if it's respecting your peaks and all your valleys and all that stuff. All right, and line them up, accordingly. So with these support and resistance lines, then they're going to help you know or help you realize where the market is likely to turn around at. All right. So that being said, when you put your first buy and your sell in, you don't know which way the market is going. It can go up or it can go down. Well, you realize, man, the market is going down. So what do? You put in a sell. Now, when you put in your third trade, that's going to make you sell heavy. So instead of you being, like I told you before, when you put your first buy and your sell in, your trading account is locked at whatever the difference is here between these two. All right, if it's about $1, you'll just be $1 less in your account. Don't matter if the market goes all the way up or down. When you put your third trade in the direction that the market is moving, assumingly, you're going to be now heavier on the sell, but this third trade is going to be your money trade. So when the market pulls down, it's going to be driving your equity up. It's not going to be locked anymore. So it's going to drive your equity up. It's going to exhaust the negative on here, and then you're going to see your account is now going to be in a negative once it exhausts your negative equity here, and it goes into the money. Now, if you pop in a couple trades, so be it. That's you. Just make sure you practice safe trading. Make sure you watch your volume. You have the strength to trade at that volume, accumulative. So you want to make sure that if you pop in a couple trades, you watch your charts. All right. So as the market is going down, you're looking for the next place the market is going to go for a turnaround, or where's the market likely to go and stall. So the market goes down, and you see it came all the way down to where your support. All right, you look left, you see that this area has been supported before, and again, it stalled there. So you know that it's a good area. Let's change the color of this so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. Like, I'm not crazy. This is powerful. All right, so you see that it respected here, it stalled here. It was a little hesitation there. Here. Let's keep going. Let's just see. It was bouncing in between here. It did come down to this point. Look at that. The market, big drop, came all the way down to there. Like, this is powerful, you guys. You gotta understand. You're not dealing. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but you're dealing with someone that knows. I can tell you where the market is going to go. There are so many different signs, and with my experience in trading, I can tell you so much about the market. But nonetheless, support and resistance won't lie. It's it's based on numbers, so numbers won't lie. So basically, you have your support and resistance set on your chart. You have a couple trades in, 1 or 2 trades in, whatever you choose to do. The market's going down. You're now in the money. Your trades are now, your account is now in the money and it's increasing. Your margin level percentage is increasing. Your equity is now increasing. So everything is increasing. The market comes down. You see support is here. And you realize it is respected well for the last couple days or whatever. You take your money here. What do? You wait to see if the market is going to go break through it or if it's going to bounce. Well, the market shows you it's going to bounce up. You put in a buy or two, whatever you choose to do, and you ride it up as far as it's going to go. Now, if you're like me, I would have, when I took my money down here, I'm closing down this whole trading system. Everything's getting shut down. All right. But one thing I must tell you is that you can leave the buy and sell open. Because it's locked in at that dollar. It doesn't matter. It's locked in at that dollar. It doesn't make sense to leave it open. But if you choose to leave it open, that's on you. I would say just cut it. Just shut the entire trade system down. You don't want to leave nothing open. Once you take your money down here, shut everything down. You could throw in a buy, throw in some buys once you realize the market is now going up. And you ride the market up. If it goes up to where you got your original trades, that's even better. You done made twice the money. That's great. But if it goes up to this point, well, you made a half of the money. All right, that's still good because you made it both ways. All right, so this is the strategy. This is what I wanted to show you guys. It's very powerful. You can do this, but you must make use of your support and resistance. You must know where the market is likely to go, and only with proper understanding and knowledge of support and resistance and experience in the market where for sure where the market is going to go. So, but I could show you better than I could tell you. As I showed you, it respected that going all the way back. I mean, it's amazing. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. You understand it? Please watch the video a number of times if you need to. This is all free information. As I always tell you, I do provide free Forex training. What you have to do is go over to email me at sodarneasyforex@gmail.com. At that point, I will pencil you in for a free training, which is normally between an hour or two. All right. And then for those of you that are interested in my Forex training, where I go over this in more in depth, and then other Forex strategies that I have, you can go on over to my website sodarneasy.com, get yourself registered. Get yourself subscribed, and if you choose to join, so be it. That's great. Otherwise, for those that are just watching the videos and supporting me and have been supporting me over the years, I definitely appreciate it because it's because of you that I've become that I've gained the popularity on YouTube and other outlets online. So I definitely appreciate it. Nonetheless, you guys, happy trading, and definitely like the video, subscribe if you need to, just to stay abreast of what of all the videos to come. All right, till next time, you guys, take care.